Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of my colleagues on the Illinois Supreme Court, I welcome you to the Future is Now Conference 2022. The goal of the 22 conference is to connect lawyers and provide them with the opportunity to share fresh perspectives, best practices, and hold inquisitive discussions on delivering value for today's legal consumer. You will have the opportunity to engage with the speakers, the commissioners and staff of the Illinois Commission on Professionalism, and your fellow attendees in an interesting afternoon of learning and development as we discuss changes in the way legal services are being delivered. And you will hear new ideas and practical takeaways that you can implement in your practice today. First, I would like to thank the Illinois Supreme Court Commission on Professionalism for its commitment of time and talent in organizing this event. Illinois' legal and judicial communities benefit year-round from the Commission's professionalism-focused programming. However, the annual Future is Now conference has always been an outstanding and important educational event year after year. We are grateful to the Commission, its Executive Director, Jane Reardon, and all the commissioners and staff for their dedicated service in creating innovative learning opportunities for the lawyers and judges of Illinois. Due to ongoing health concerns, the Illinois Supreme Court Commission on Professionalism has opted to host this event virtually, as it did in 2021. Who knows? We were thrilled to attend, and actually the level of attendance participation has been huge, and we hope the high level of involvement continues as we go forward. And as you listen to the speakers, reflect on how you define and measure the value of services you deliver to your clients. Consider how that value is changing amid the pandemic, the restructuring of the legal profession, and our ongoing digital transformation. Join the conversation through the chat and the town hall sessions as we explore and we discuss how we might reimagine previous held assumptions on how attorneys provide value to their clients and their communities. Discussions will include how legal education and professional development programs are helping lawyers and law students to translate critical leadership and professional skills into more efficient client service, how lawyers and clients are recognizing the potential benefits of novel business models and billing options, and importantly, how legal professionals are recognizing the benefits of better caring for themselves, as well as the members of their families and their communities through leadership and service efforts. As we move forward in this ever-changing world, the opportunity to learn, to collaborate on new ways of practicing law is even more imperative. Again, I encourage you to take advantage of the chat function and the town hall sessions and continue the conversation at the end of the day to engage with the speakers and your fellow attendees. COVID-19 continues to disrupt the lives and livelihood of many of us. Some of you may have experienced the loss of a family member or a friend. Others have lost their employment or their businesses. The pandemic has also affected every aspect of our legal system, from our law schools to our courts. Clearly, no other event in recent history has so upended our lives, our work, or forced us to take a hard look at the way we as lawyers are providing value to our communities as the pandemic continues. The Illinois Supreme Court has adapted to to the challenges presented by the pandemic as the impetus for finding novel ways to increase accessibility and efficiency for everyone in the judicial system and for making legal services more attainable for everyone in Illinois. The acceleration of change by necessity has never been faster. During these difficult times, I joined the leaders from the Illinois State Bar Association for a virtual listening tour across our state. We wanted to learn how the pandemic's physical, emotional, and financial toll impacted the citizens of Illinois. Hearing the stories of hardship firsthand and the creative solutions was a vital step toward reshaping the court system to be more responsive to the needs of the people we serve. A full spectrum of approaches is required to mitigate the access to justice gap and to provide valuable legal services for those who need it most. One important approach is the utilization of non-lawyer navigators who assist self-represented litigants, SRLs, with their legal needs. The Illinois Justice Court navigators are now present in courthouses across our state to assist a range of certain cases, such as family and housing issues. Navigators do not provide legal advice. Rather, they offer court patrons valuable assistance on completing court paperwork and guiding the users through the court process. Navigators help to ensure that SRLs file complete and accurate court documents, thereby advancing the overall efficiency and effectiveness of their court proceedings. In addition, court patrons realize improved value and service when they turn to the justice system to have their problems solved. Our justice system is currently enjoying an unprecedented atmosphere of cooperation that is truly inspiring. With the collaboration and assistance of our many stakeholders, the Illinois Supreme Court has been able to reshape Illinois' judicial system to meet the needs of our citizens. Now more than ever, we are reaffirming that justice is not a place, it is a service. Each of us, whether a seasoned, experienced lawyer or a student just beginning their professional journey, is an essential part of the legal services equation. In this age of legal Zoom and alternative business structures, lawyers do face this challenge of defining their role in society and differentiating the services we provide, whether in the courthouse, in the private practice, legal aid, or delivering pro bono service. The preamble to the Illinois Rules of Professional Conduct begins, "A lawyer, as a member of the legal profession, is a representative of clients and an officer of the legal system and a public citizen having special responsibility for the quality of justice." As you listen to the exceptional speakers today and engage in conversation with your fellow attendees, I ask you to remember that you have a special responsibility for the quality of justice. In what ways do you think you can find value, measure value, and bring value to your clients, your profession, and your community? It is our hope that you consider the various perspectives presented at this Future is Now conference, that you will recommit yourselves to the vital role you have as a legal professional and help enhance service to justice. Enjoy the conference and thank you for attending.